In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Slugger in Untitled boxing game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can acquire the Slugger style, and also I'm gonna give you a basic overview. So to acquire the Slugger style, all that you have to do is go over to the Fight Styles option at the left, and then spin the gacha wheel. As you can see, it is one of the available legendary styles. It has a very low percent chance of dropping, and if you get it, it is going to be equipped immediately, so you can use your spins to try to get the Slugger style. Now sadly for this video, I won't be able to demonstrate actual gameplay on my account, but I'm still gonna give you a basic overview. So this style takes the strongest defense is a good offense as its motto. So instead of trying to defend against an opponent, the best course of action is to actually trade blows, as you will win with your superior damage output. Your dash is average and your block is weak, so relying on defensive tools is unwise. So the Slugger M1s are going to be the slowest in the game. To make up for this, the Slugger M1s feature good damage with anti-heal, similarly to Hawk, while also having average range. The Slugger's M1s are decent for countering because slower styles are surprisingly good at this, and like I said, trying to consistently do it is not recommended. The regular rush combo for Slugger consists of a left body hook, right upper body hook, a left hook to the chin, a right haymaker, followed by a right overhand. The combo then repeats, albeit starting from the left hook to the chin until the user's stamina depletes or they stop the combo. For your M2s, they do absurd damage with easily varied timing and tons of guard damage. So it is very predictable even with the charging aspect. This is due to the fact that the M2s will always come from your right, so the timing can change a lot when you charge it, so dodging left will not be safe for your opponent, but due to the small range of it, the backdash is always safe. And for your ultimate, it is going to be Rage, where on hit, you will assault your opponent with a barrage of heavy punches before knocking the wind out of them, finishing with a massive uppercut, and the ultimate will deal around 55% damage. So for the pros and cons, it has insane damage output, the M1s are surprisingly quick, the charged M2s can catch an opponent if they dash too early, and it has long M1 reach with good anti-heal. But the cons are that it is hard to get because it is a legendary, it is very slow, the block is terrible, and the bad dash uses lots of stamina. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Slugger in Untitled boxing game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.